Hey guys, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS. This car's finished with a 350, power steering, power disc brakes. It's got the 4-speed and a 12-bolt in it, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS right here. Like I said, this car's finished beautiful in red with black interior. It's got the Cragar SS wheels on it, power disc brakes, power steering, and 4-speed with that 12-bolt. It doesn't get much nicer than this car right here. We're going to take a look at it. Very, very nice car here. Been finished in good condition. All the dash is in excellent condition. No cracks or tears in the dash. Looks good. It's got the 4-speed shifter. It's got some aftermarket gauges below the dash there that are nice. Really looks good. Very, very nice and clean. It's got the tack in the dash as well. This really looks good interior wise. Door panels look good. It's very, very nice. Shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk's finished nice. It's got the nice spare tire with the splatter paint. All inside the trunk looks good. Very nice clean spare tire. Has the stickers. This really looks good. I'll unplug my microphone here. Shut the trunk. We're going to start it up and see how it sounds. Mild cam in it is what I would say. It really looks good. All the top paint just really looks good on it. Very nice and clean. So it's got the tack in it. Show you the back seat on this side. Really looks good. Very nice and clean. Steering wheel looks good. It's got, like I said, the tack. 4-speed. Does have a 12-bolt in it as well. Shut the door here. And I'm going to take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood's powered by a 350, power steering, power disc brakes. Very, very nice and clean. It does have the cowl hood as well on this car. It does have a cowl hood. So we're going to shut the hood here. And we'll take one more quick look at the 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. We're going to take this Nova for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS for a test drive and see how it does. Absolutely gorgeous day here in Kentucky. We're going to take it for a drive. Like I said, this does have the 350 with the 4-speed. It does have the 12-bolt in it as well. We're going to take it for a drive and see how it does. It does have aftermarket gauges there. Factory and with the tack there. So we're going to take it for a drive and see how it does. here, and like we do every time, I'll have Dad get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this Nova's made of. All right, here we go. A couple cars coming, I'm sorry. And we'll be ready to go. One more truck and then we're ready. All right, here we go. Car really runs and drives good. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent run and driving car. Really does good. We are almost back here. And like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. It helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. But we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's that underneath video right now.